I decided to choose chemical engineering at the University of Sheffield because I found I always enjoyed and excelled at chemistry and maths and biology in general. So I wanted to study a degree what combined these different aspects. And not having engineers in my family or like guidance, I just randomly stumbled across chemical engineering in a brochure at the University of Sheffield. And I found that it combined the different aspects I enjoyed. So I took a little risk and I decided to choose it. And I chose the University of Sheffield in general because on the open day I found the department to be warm and friendly, and then also the quality of the research, the global links and the industrial links, all of these different factors helped make my decision to choose the university in Sheffield. The highlight of my studies have been in my third year I had the opportunity to travel to Australia and study there for a year. So I actually studied in the University of Queensland in Brisbane, Australia. And this was an amazing opportunity because it allowed me to become much more confident and social, but also interact with other engineers from across the globe. And I feel like this is very important because employers don't only want you to have the academic side, they want additional factors. And this allowed me to add much more depth to my CV. While I was in Australia, I got involved in Engineers Without Borders Australia. And I actually had the opportunity to travel to Cambodia for 2 weeks, and we actually stayed on a rural island, and we stayed there for 2 weeks, and we initially observed their lifestyle and see how we could apply our engineering knowledge in a positive impact, potentially improve their lifestyle. So we looked at things such as waste disposal, water sanitation and planting of rice grains, and then we presented our ideas to the community to see if this was something they would like to implement using their natural resources. And this was really an eye-opener for me because it allowed me to appreciate my lifestyle, but also seeing how engineering can be used for a positive impact in general, and humanitarian engineering is something I would be interested in now as a result of that. I got involved in the Women in Engineering Student Society at the University of Sheffield because I personally feel passionate about promoting engineering, particularly to female students, because I feel from my personal experience I wasn't given the guidance or advice to study engineering in general. I was more guided towards maybe pharmacy or optometry. So for me, I gained some kind of fulfillment inside to just even make female students aware of engineering in general and see that it is an opportunity they could consider as a future career. The best thing about being an engineering student at the University of Sheffield is the wide variety of modules available to study. So in chemical engineering we study an energy module, a water module, a fuel and utilisation module, and all these different modules allow you to find what you like and what you dislike and what you would potentially like to pursue as a future career. Also, because there's so many different disciplines of engineering, for example mechanical, biological, you're able to meet and become friends with a wide variety of people, international and local. From studying chemical engineering for the past 3 years, I've learned that engineering can have a positive impact on a global scale. I've also learned because of the wide variety of disciplines, there are an immense amount of opportunities for a wide variety of people, so it's definitely a future career individuals should consider.